Hello community! Welcome back to our channel. Marami ang kinilig at muling napaasa matapos mapansin ng netizens ang sunod-sunod na sweet moments ni Katrina Halili at Chris Lawrence. Sa kanilang mga latest vlog at live selling videos, kitang-kita umano ang natural na lambingan, kulitan, at effortless chemistry ng dalawa. Habang nagbibiruan at nagtatawanan sila on screen, maraming viewers ang nagsabing parang hindi raw kailanman naghiwalay sina Katrina at Chris dahil sa sobrang gaan at genuine ng kanilang samahan.
Fans quickly noticed how comfortable and happy the two seemed together during their recent live selling sessions. Their chemistry appeared effortless, making many supporters wonder if there is truly a second chance happening behind the scenes. Several viewers even commented that Katrina and Chris looked more connected than ever, bringing back memories of the love story many fans once admired.
Mas lalo pang umugong ang reconciliation rumors matapos silang magbakasyon sa napakagandang El Nido kasama ang kanilang anak na si Cathy. Sa mga lumabas na photos at video clips, kapansin-pansin ang kanilang sweetness at pagiging relaxed sa isa't isa habang magkasamang nag-enjoy sa beach getaway. Marami tuloy ang nagsabing tila isang buong pamilya muli ang dalawa, dahilan para mas dumami ang mga netizens na umaasang magkakabalikan sila. Their El Nido vacation instantly became a hot topic online as fans could not stop talking about their sweet interactions and family bonding moments.
Many netizens described their getaway as something straight out of a second-chance love story, while others said their matching energy and genuine smiles made them look naturally perfect together once again.
Sa social media, bumahan ng comments mula sa netizens na humihiling na sana ay tuluyan ng magkabalikan sina Katrina at Chris. May ilan pang nagsasabing ramdam na ramdam daw ang sincerity at comfort nila sa isa't isa. Dagdag pa rito, naging viral din ang ilang clips kung saan tila nadulas pa umano si Chris at natawag na love si Katrina, isang simpleng moment na lalong nagpakilig sa kanilang supporters.
Although neither Katrina nor Chris has officially confirmed anything about reconciliation, fans continue to hope that there is still something special between them. For many supporters, seeing them happy, peaceful, and united as co-parents is already heartwarming enough. But because of their undeniable chemistry and natural sweetness, many people cannot help but wonder if this could finally be the happy ending fans have been waiting for.
At sa kabila ng lahat ng sweet moments at mga nakakakilig na eksena ni Katrina at Chris, marami pa rin ang nagtatanong posible kayang mabigyan nila ng second chance ang kanilang pagmamahalan, lalo na para sa kanilang daughter na si Cathy.
Do you think Katrina Halili and Chris Lawrence deserve another chance at love? And would you want to see them reconcile and become a complete family again for the happiness of their daughter, Katie?
Tell us in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. Keep it here for the latest updates in fashion, pageantry, showbiz, and everything in between. Remember to embrace your uniqueness and strive for greatness. This is Shale.
And this is Del.
Of Shale Del Entertainment.